Hey guys, welcome to my channel by Engineer. So today we are going to watch how to install AnyDesk on your laptop or PC. So AnyDesk is application software used to share your computer screen with others from any remote locations. So it works really helpful in the cases like if you are working as an employee in an organization, like you're a software developer and you have bugs, or you're working for a technical support and the clients wants to resolve their issues on their computer, and you want to know what's the issues in their computer, so they can share their screen to you and you can really watch what's happening on their computer and how the issue can be resolved. So not only sharing the screen, you can also share the files to them with just a tap. And without any late, let's get started. So at first, go on to the web browser, like anything. Choose any browser which you have in your PC, like Chrome or Firefox, etc. So I have Google Chrome, so just type AnyDesk in the browser. So it gives you several options, like several links to download. So choose the first link and it redirects you to the AnyDesk page. So here you can see AnyDesk is available for different platforms, like for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, etc. So it's really open for any platform. And to download, you can see a button right here, so click on that button, and after that you get two options, like for MSI deployment package and the download version 6. So this deployment package is for the developers and for other versions, and it is a paid version. So the free version was this one, the download version 6. Click on the download version 6. So here you get a pop-up of showing how the AnyDesk works and how is it really going to happen. And here you can see the application is downloaded here. Click on that. So after clicking that, you'll get into the AnyDesk. You can see here, this is the link, access link, or the address where if you want to share your screen to others, you have to say this address and this address to them, so that they can access your screen. And if you want to access other screen onto your PC, just click here their address, so that their screen will appear onto your PC. So in AnyDesk you has different options, like controlling the other screen, and you can also give permissions of your screen, like keypad, entering something, or accessing to files, etc. So after clicking their address, you can just simply click on the connect, so that you can access their PC. And we can see that it's not really installed into your PC, like it's just here it's just a link which redirects you to the internet and makes you connect to the others, but it's not installed internet. To check that, we can check in the control panel. So in control panel we can see which are the programs in our devices. So these are the applications which I have in my device. So I don't find AnyDesk in my installed applications, so it's not downloaded in my device. So to download it in my device, just open that link and click here, install AnyDesk on this device. So it asks for certain permissions, select nothing and just it asks for the permission, just click on yes. It takes some while, and there we go. Yeah, here we go with AnyDesk application. This is it. And if you want to share your screen with others, you can go here, new session, and you can also have the multiple sessions with others here. So this is how it works. And you can also see the AnyDesk shortcut is on your desktop. So this is how it works, and hope you like the video and it's helpful. please do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.